Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram posts. First of all, let's launch the Instagram app. You want to click on the plus sign on the lower right corner. Then you want to make sure that you select an image or video that you want to add. In our case, I am going to select this particular thumbnail for the example. We're going to click next. Over here with the recent updates of Instagram, you're able to add music right from the get-go. As you can see at the top middle of the screen, you will have the note icon. You click on the note icon and there you have it. You can simply scroll through the recommendations for music. Very important, I see a lot of people not talking about when you editing a video. You want to see the length of your video and then you want to match the length of your video with the length of music that you want to select. As you can see, there are songs here that are only 1 minute and 50 seconds, where there is songs that are 4 minutes and 30 seconds, right? There are minutes. Also, there are songs that are over 5 and 6 minutes. So I want to make sure that you match the length of the video with the length of the music. Also, you can actually browse through the genres itself, R&B and soul. We have pop, we got music that is coming from the movies, right? You got hip hop, so on and so forth. So this is how we go about. You select your music and then you press next. But let me give you a pro tip, something that probably you're not gonna see in other tutorial. If you simultaneously decide to change your mind after you already include all the hashtags and information, right? You put the location, maybe you're selling product, you tag the product, and then you said, okay, but I'm not sure about this song, I want to put something else. Well, you can actually change the song straight from this particular menu. You will see right here it says add music, and there you have it. You're back to the same exact menu. This is very handful because now you are able to save your current updates and upgrades, and you can simply change the song from here. You don't have to go back to the previous menus and go back and forth, right? You skip additional steps. For more videos like that, guys, subscribe and come back for more.